go. Okay, we got Barbados. We got Barbados in the building. Make some noise for Barbados.
Yes!
All right, we got Trinidad. Make some noise for Trinidad. Okay. Wait, this is strictly for the man, for the ladies, not the man and them. Yeah. Alright, so we only got three. So we got Trinidad versus Barbados. You gotta forward up here to the front. You gotta come to the front. Come on, baby, don't be shy. So we have Trinidad, we got Barbados, and we got Jamaica. Anybody from one of these islands, anybody from Trinidad and Jamaica, make some noise if you're from Trinidad. Alright. Anybody from
Trinidad.
Barbados? Anybody from Barbados in this rascal? So they go two or one over here, bro. Jesus Christ. Anybody from Jamaica, boy, you must have shot on the yeah. Kinda rough here. Alright, so I want to see, and Jody is going to be the judge, or we going to make the people judge? Who we judge? The people going to judge?
Let me go.
We're going to let the people judge.
Let me get to it.
I want to see who could whine to this song the best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Line up yourself. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hold on. I don't think they know the rules here.
What was that? What was that?
I think we gotta do that one more time. No? Anybody say one more time, put one finger in there. Let me see. Look around. Anybody say no do-over, put two hands over your head. Let me see.
Wow.
It's kind of tight right now.
Wow.
It's tight.
Go
We do
represent
it
us.
over just because I want to see it again. We do it again. Let me see what everyone's doing.
Whoa.
I don't know.
Whoa.
What do you see? Alright, so we had to eliminate one.
How are you?
Sorry, Jamaica. I know the Jamaicans like, I want a bump, yo. I want a rascal. What, boy? She don't read, man. What is it? I'm just playing. Okay, so we looking good. So we down to 2. We down to who? Barbados versus Trinidad, boy.
The battle of
This is where you call
island.
show up now.
Say Trinidad,
This is show up.
Jamaica.
Ladies, are you ready? And it's no do-overs with this one. So you gotta go all out or nothing. Because we're not gonna keep the ball rolling. Ladies, you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Ladies, you ready? All right, ready.
So, are you
ay, ay. Wow. Wow. Okay. So it is all based on the crown of which female is going to win the exclusive cabin to Ubersoca Cruise 2026 with terms and conditions. So when I call on the island, we are judging by noise. So the more noise you make is the person that's gonna win. Okay?
Wait.
So, all who say Trinidad and Tobago, make some noise. All right.
Barbados.
All who say Barbados, make so guess what? Where's Barbados? Barbados back to the center again. Back to the center. This is the bonus rounds. This is the bonus rounds now. You was only gonna get a no. You wasn't even gonna get to see or say. You was just getting a cabin. Right now. Hold on. So, I just talked to the boss lady. The boss lady said the stipulations for the bonus round is if you impress everybody up here. Listen, you already won the cabin. Let me make that clear. You already won the cabin. We're not taking that away from you. But this is the bonus round to add on. This is add-ons. So, you're gonna get a personal swag bag, all courtesy of Jody. That's number one. And number two, you will get upgraded to a balcony room. So, you're not impressing me. You're not impressing Jody. You're impressing everybody up here. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I can't hear all you. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? All right, let's start in Barbados. Barbados, you're right. All right. All right. All right then.
Ubersoca, the rat, the nigga hacker, the nigga jacker, the nigga this bitch splasher, the car washer, okay? Alright, you got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is all your call. It's not me, it's not Judy, or the USC family. And we're doing it the same way we did eliminations. By your noise you make is how we are going to determine if she should get the official upgrade and all the extra amenities. On the count of three, you make some noise if she should get it. If not, don't make no noise. 1, 2, 3. Well, Jody, she won that. Fair and square. Make some noise for Barbados. What's your name? Because I don't know what's going to call you Barbados. What's your name? Buddha. Make some noise for Buddha from Barbados, please.
This is it, guys. This is it.
And she
We're
represents
on rooftop.
New York City. So if you from Brooklyn,
We
say
are on the
we on the roof, baby. Let's party. Jody, I need the next one. Keep that coming. Keep that coming. Prove me a little. So I know what I'm wanting. I just wonder, everybody's going to Ubersoca single. Where's the ladies who's going single on the boat?
Wow. That's the retreat for Ubersoca cruise, guys. This is it. So Vibedi représente Haïti en groupe, en masse là. That's Vibedi. Non, là, n'a suivi, guys. You did nice. Good job.
Thank you.
You did nice. Saturday will be ready.